Hello guys, welcome to Ernest Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Bybit crypto exchange. Knowing how to use a crypto exchange is one of the basic knowledge requirements you need to be successful in the crypto industry. It doesn't matter how you join the crypto industry, whether you join through airdrop or you join through recommendation or you join for trading or other purposes. What matters is that you have been in this crypto industry, and because you have been in this crypto industry, you need knowledge on how it works. Okay, if you don't know how to find your depositing address on Bybit, if you don't know how to withdraw on Bybit, after this video you start using Bybit effectively. Okay, after signing up on Bybit, the next thing you need to do is to verify your account. And for you to verify your account, you click on this profile logo here. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. This place you are seeing verified, you might see get verified or verify. When you click on it, it will prompt you to submit few information, and when you submit it, your level 1 will be verified. So with level 1, you can access almost all the features of Bybit. The level 2 is not necessary except if you're a heavy user. For me, I'm comfortable with level 1 for now. So guys, after the verification, your dashboard will look exactly like this. At the bottom, you see market, derivative, spot, and asset. I believe with time we'll make a video explaining all these features, but for now let's focus on how to copy wallet address, or how to extract wallet address, and how to withdraw. Okay, let's say you are mining a project on Telegram, and they ask you to submit your Ethereum address, or they ask you to submit your Ton address. What you have to do is to click on funding. When you click on funding, you search for particular coin that they demanded from you. Let's say they ask for Ethereum wallet address. You search for Ethereum, which is Ether. Okay, this is Ethereum here. You click on it. When you click on it, because they ask you to submit your wallet, or you are sending the wallet to a friend, it means that they are the ones that are going to send their coin to you. So you go for deposit, you click on deposit here. When you click on deposit, you select the network. Now this is where it becomes interesting. If your network is ERC20, you have to specify that the network you copy the address is ERC20, and the sender have to select ERC20 as network as well. Now this is how this network works. For instance, when you give someone your bank account number, you have to tell the person that is this bank, so you have to specify the name of the bank. Now take this network as the name of the blockchain. Okay, Ethereum ERC20 is the native network of Ethereum, which is the main Ethereum. Now if you are giving the person Ethereum with a BSC address, BSC network, sorry, it means that the person is going to send you Ethereum on BNB blockchain. Okay, likewise, when you give the person Arbitrum1 network, it means that the person is going to send you Ethereum on Arbitrum1 network. So you have to specify the network that you copied and tell the person that is this network, and the person has to select the same network while sending. Now it all boils down to if the network is available to the sender and available to receiver. The both network must match. Okay guys, the both network must match. So when you select ERC20, you copy the address. You copy the address by clicking here. When you click here, you copy the address. Now you send it to the person, or you submit it to wherever they are required or they are asked for, but you have to specify the network ERC20. If they demand for another network, please make sure that you copy of that, or you copy the address of that network. The address might be the same, but the purpose is that if this exchange do not support the network, if they send it from their end, you will not receive it. So the network must match on the both end. Okay, so this is it about the Ethereum. Let's say you want to copy Ton wallet address. A project is demanding for Ton wallet address, which is common now. You search for Ton. I believe most of us are used to Ton. You select Ton. Just like I said, you click on deposit because they are the one that is going to send to you. Now you can see Ton doesn't have several networks here. It's just Ton. So the network is Ton, the coin is Ton. So you select Ton. On some exchanges, you will see Ton on BEP20. That's Ton on a Binance Smart Chain network. But on Bybit is only Ton on Ton. So when you select the network as Ton, you are good to go. So guys, after that you copy the address by clicking here. Now this is where it becomes interesting as well, because it's Ton demands memo, so you have to copy the memo. You don't just copy the address and send to the person, you have to copy the memo as well, which is here. So when you send the address, you send the memo as well. Once you are dealing with Ton on Bybit, you send the address and you send the memo. So you must copy the address and copy the memo as well. Please, it's very important. Without the memo, the coin will not be deposited to your account and it will be lost. So to avoid story that touches the heart, copy the address and the memo. Okay, the network is Ton. So I believe we all know how to copy address now. Doesn't matter any coin at all, it's the same process. Let's say BTC here, that's Bitcoin, right? BTC, this BTC, you select on deposit, you choose the network BTC, you copy the address. You can see the address here is copied. So you apply this knowledge on all coins, and once you are asked to copy your address, you can easily do it without any issue. Now let's say you want to withdraw, like I have a $34 here. I want to withdraw it to my Bitget account, and the money is on my trading. Let's say this money I got from hamster listening, and I want to transfer it to Bitget account. The first thing I need to do is to click on the unified trading. That is where I have the money after swapping it from my hamster to USDT. The next thing I need to do is to transfer the money from this unified trading to funding. So I'll click on transfer. I'll click on this center icon here, so that unified trading will be at the top and the funding will be at the bottom. Okay, I've done that. Then the next thing I need to do is to change this BTC to USDT, because it's USDT that I want to transfer. Then the next thing is to enter amount, or I'll click mass. I click mass, I confirm. Okay guys, I've transferred it. So let's go back. You can see the money under funding now. So when I click on it, I want to withdraw it, I'll click on it as USDT. I'll click on this USDT here. Then instead of deposit, I'll click on withdraw. Now I'll click on withdraw. Okay guys, now this is the dashboard. This is for on-chain withdraw. There is internal transfer, which we'll be making a separate video on how to use internal transfer. This one is for on-chain. Okay, so the coin is USDT. The address, I have to copy the address and the network as well. Remember what I said about network? It's like when you give somebody your account number, you have to specify the bank. Okay, so I will now open my Bitget account and copy my wallet address. Remember, you have to, the network have to match. So let's say I want to use which network do we use? I want to use BEP20. BEP20. I will select network here. Is BEP20 available? You can see BEP20 here. Now there is another important information you need. For you to send, you have to look for the available option with the lowest fee that is available on both end, from that is available to the sender and is available to you, the receiver. So on this list now, you can see the lowest Mantle network is 0, but I don't know if Mantle network is available on Bitget. So let's just check. I'll open my Bitget account. Okay guys, this is my Bitget account. I'll go to assets, I'll go to spot, I'll select USDT, then I'll click on this three icon here. I'll select deposit. I want to deposit I want to send the USDT from Bybit to Bitget. So I'll check if Mantle network is available here. You can see Mantle network is not available on Bitget. So if I had sent the USDT from Bybit on Mantle network to Bitget, the money will be lost. I can't get the money because the network is not available on Bitget. So I have to choose a network that is available on Bitget and is available on Bybit, and it has a lower fee. So let's see. Avast chain normally have low fee. So let's see if it's available. Okay, see Avast chain here. It has a $1 fee on Bybit, which is kind of high. So which network are we going to use? Okay, you can see Ton here. You can see Ton is still 0 fee. So I'll select Ton. I want to send using Ton network. So I'll go to my Bitget account. I'll select the network as Ton. So it will show me address of Ton. Now this is my Ton address. On Bitget, depositing Ton doesn't need memo. They do not require memo, so you no need of entering memo. Okay, so I'll just copy by clicking this. So I just copy it, go back to Bybit and paste. You can see I've pasted the address. Now the memo is optional. They do not require memo. Okay, they do not require memo, so no need of putting memo. Now you enter the amount, the withdrawal amount, the amount you want to withdraw. For me, let's say I want to withdraw $20 from this $34. So I'll enter $20. Then the next is to click withdraw. If I want to withdraw everything, I will just click on mass. I want to withdraw everything, then I'll click on withdraw. There is an important information you need to know. If this is your first time of trying to withdraw on Bybit, they will prompt you to set your authenticator or to link your email or your phone number, depending on the option that is available to you. So it's a simple step. If it requires you to link your phone number, you link your phone number. If it is email, you link your email. If it is a authenticator, you follow the instruction on the dashboard and link your authenticator. So for the withdrawal now, I will confirm. Now I have confirmed. They're asking for me to get a code from my email and the authenticator code. So that is all. Once I fill in this information, the $34 will be sent to my Bitget account. So this is how to withdraw. It's very simple. If I want to withdraw with another network, I'll select withdraw. I'll select another network that doesn't require memo. I'll select network here. Let's use a BSC BEP20. That's a Binance Smart Chain. I'll go to my Bitget. I'll select BSC. That's still the same thing. BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. That's BSC. I'll copy the address. You can see the address changed. I'll copy the address, go back and paste the address, enter amount, and withdraw. That is all. This is how to withdraw and how to copy your depositing address. It's very simple. This is one of the basic knowledge you need to survive in the crypto industry. You need to know how to use this, how to navigate in the crypto exchange. Okay guys, if you gain value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share these videos with others. We'll be dropping more videos on how to use Bybit, how to trade on Bybit, how to use the internal transfer, and many other more, and other exchanges that you are using, you are still finding it difficult, or how to navigate them. We'll be dropping video on all of them. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.